Moving the needle toward financial independence does not need implementing all of these suggestions, but why not attempt implementing one or two each month? From the finest methods to budget on how to increase your earning potential like a pro, these 20 financial tips will get you started on the right path. Number 1. Rebalance your portfolio once a year. If you do not have access to an advisor, you will have to accomplish this on your own. We propose that you hire an advisor. Studies show that investment accounts with an advisor outperform those without. What exactly does rebalancing imply? Assume you've allocated 60% of your portfolio to equities and 40% to bonds. These prices fluctuate throughout the year due to gains or losses in your investments. Rebalance your portfolio at the start of the year to ensure you still have a 60-40 split. Take advantage of the experience and understanding of a team of seasoned professionals who can assess your needs and recommend relevant tactics. Simply conserving money isn't enough. Developing financial strategy with the assistance of pros will help you achieve your goals much more quickly. Number 2, check your interest rate. Which loan do you think you should pay off first? The one with the highest rate of interest? What type of savings account should you open? The one with the most favorable interest rate? Why is credit card debt causing us so much trouble? It's because of the compound interest rate. The bottom line is that paying attention to interest rates will help you decide which debt or savings commitments to prioritize. Number 3, make savings part of your monthly budget. You'll never have money to save if you wait until you routinely have enough cash cushion available at the end of the month. Instead, start incorporating monthly savings into your budget right away. Here's a universal truth. If you see money in your checking account, you're going to spend it, period. The quickest way to start saving is to open a separate savings account, which makes it less likely that you'll waste your vacation money on another late-night online shopping binge. Number 4, set a budget, period. This is the beginning point for all of your other goals in life. Debt has a way of sneaking up on you. With smartphones, it's so easy to accept minor financial obligations in today's culture. Some of your phone's apps are free, while others need a small monthly cost. Netflix's basic package is only $10 per month, and many other entertaining and essential apps are available for the same price. The next thing you know, you're saddled with hundreds of dollars in monthly payments. Number 5, consider an all-cash diet. If you have a habit of overspending, this will help you get out of it. Now, this is a little more difficult to accomplish because many businesses require a credit card merely to start an account. For example, try renting a car without a credit card. The advantage of paying cash for as many items as possible is that you are hyper aware of what you're spending your money on. Number 6, end of day money review. Take a few minutes at the end of the day to reflect on what you spent your money on. Hopefully, one of your bills was a deposit into your savings account. This reflection aids in the instant identification of difficulties or unfavorable trends, as well as the tracking of objective progress. Number 7, create a financial vision board. You need incentive to begin developing better financial habits, and creating a vision board will help remind you to keep on track with your financial goals. More than that, it's a psychological strategy. Your subconscious mind will labor around the clock to make these images a reality. Number 8, set specific financial goals. How much debt do you want to pay off, and when do you want to pay it off? How much do you want to save, and when do you want it done? To describe what you want to achieve with your money, use numbers and dates rather than just words. This is one of the best step-by-step strategies for achieving any objective, particularly financial goals. Number 9, make bite-sized money goals. According to one study, the further away a goal appears and the less certain we are about when it will occur, the more likely we are to give up. So in addition to focusing on big goals, attempt to make smaller, short-term goals along the road that can yield faster results, such as saving some money each week to take a trip in 6 months. Number 10, banish toxic money thoughts. The way you think about money has everything to do with your internal dialogue and how you perceive money. The power of negative thoughts and spoken words cannot be underestimated. Cut them off in the middle of your plans. Number 11, get your finances and body in shape. According to one study, more exercise leads to higher salary since you are more productive after you have worked up a sweat. So taking up jogging could help you improve your financial situation. Furthermore, all of the habits and discipline involved with exercise are also related with good money management. Number 12, appreciate what you have. Do you have clothing in your closet that still has their tags on them? Perhaps you made an impulsive buy or couldn't pass up a good deal. Being content with what you already have not only promotes a good state of mind, but it also reduces impulsive spending. Number 13, when negotiating a salary, get the company to name figures first. If you give away your present salary right away, you have no way of knowing if you're lowballing or highballing. Getting a potential employer to name the figure first allows you to later negotiate a larger salary. Number 14, you can negotiate more than just your salary. work hours, official title, maternity and paternity leave, vacation time, and which projects you'll work on may all be negotiable with a future employer. Employers have learned from COVID-19 and are increasingly willing to allow employees to work from home. Employees will save significantly on transportation, dining out, work clothes, and even time. Time indeed is money. Number 15, make salary discussions at your current job about your company's needs. Your employer isn't concerned about whether you desire money for a bigger house, it's concerned with keeping a good employee. So whether discussing wages or asking for a raise, underline the tremendous value you offer to the organization. Number 16, start with small debts to help you conquer the big ones. If you have a pile of debt, research suggests that paying off little bills might give you the confidence to tackle bigger ones. You know, like paying off a small balance on a department store card before moving on to the larger balance card. Of course, we normally advocate focusing on the card with the highest interest rate, but psyching yourself up is occasionally worthwhile. Number 17, don't buy too much houses. You may find yourself in this situation if you fall in love with a home whose mortgage is close to 30% of your take-home pay. The house you fell in love with will become a curse upon your head when you are no longer able to enjoy your life because of a lack of financial resources. Number 18, evaluate purchases by cost per use. It may appear to be more fiscally responsible to purchase a trendy $5 shirt rather than a classic $30 shirt, but only if the quality component is ignored. Consider how many times you use or wear the latest tech toy, cooking gadget, or fashion item before deciding if it's worth it. In fact, you can consider pricing per hour for activities. Your bedroom is a fantastic example of this. You'll spend almost 1/3 of your life in bed, so obtaining a good night's sleep is critical. We waited for the bedroom set we wanted to go on sale for half the price, and we paid $13,000 for it and maintained it for 14 years. It may seem absurd to compute, but it costs us $2.55 every night for 14 years to sleep. Number 19, get that free cash. Utilize your employer's group retirement plan, as many programs will match your contribution to a maxed percentage. However, you will only receive that donation if you contribute first. Another unnoticed benefit is the investment fee. The investment fund fees for group plans are often quite cheap. Outside of your group plan, you would either need a lot of money to qualify for a lower fund cost or invest in index funds and ETFs. A group plan takes care of that problem for you. And at number 20, start saving now. No, not next week, not if you get a pay boost, no, not next year, today. Because the money you put into your retirement fund today will have more time to increase thanks to compound growth. Albert Einstein once observed, the greatest innovation of man is the compound interest. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. But before that, we want to know how you feel about this. Would you like to add some more tips to this list? You know what to do. See you in the comment section, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.